Social media has transformed the way we communicate and interact with others by enabling instant communication across distances and facilitating connections with people from diverse backgrounds. However, it has also raised concerns about privacy and security as personal information can be easily shared or stolen online. Maintaining good health is essential for living a happy and fulfilling life. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, staying physically active for at least 30 minutes a day, and getting enough sleep are all important factors in achieving optimal health and preventing chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The natural world is full of wonder and beauty, from the towering mountains to the vast oceans and everything in between. It provides us with essential resources such as clean air and water, as well as recreational opportunities that promote physical and mental health. Astronomy is a fascinating field that allows us to explore the mysteries of the universe, from the origins of stars and galaxies to the search for extraterrestrial life. It requires advanced technology such as telescopes and spacecraft, as well as interdisciplinary collaboration between scientists from different fields.